Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you all how to make easiest and most beautiful woolen flower with two colors of wool and hair comb. First thing to do is to count out the 5 teeth of the comb and use the first color of wool to wrap around in an upward direction. When you get to the middle, then continue wrapping, but now in downward direction. Then tie to secure. Attach the second color of wool from the second teeth of the comb to make visible combination. When you're done with that one piece, make them 6 pieces and join them together to make beautiful woolen flower. Attach a medium-sized pearl right at the center of the woolen flower to make it beautiful and seamless. If you watch up to this point, please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. I trust you all will find this tutorial very easy to follow. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll surely see you all in my next one. Bye.